Well, for snack time today, I told everybody to figure out what they want to eat, and no one knows. So they're still trying to decide on what they want. This is some type of Rice Krispie looking stuff.
It's fruity marshmallow.
This one's like some cakes. You see all this stuff. And they have way more snacks and stuff. This is our normal snack junk food day. We have regular healthy snacks, but they're in the refrigerator, like carrots and broccoli and all that extra good stuff. And we have fruits, and we have a lot of good stuff, and apples and all type of stuff. But they want to try some Debbie cake looking stuff. So okay, bye bye y'all. Let's see what they try.